Now children, let's start with English grammar. We will continue with lesson number 8, that is describing words. Yesterday we did till exercise A. So today we are going to do exercise B and C. Okay, so have a look over here children. Read the sentences and write the describing words and the nouns they describe. Some sentences may have two describing words. So what you have to do children? You have to read these sentences. Okay? You have to write the describing words over here and the nouns which the describing words describe over here. Okay, you don't have to write all the nouns given in the sentences. You have to write only those nouns which are described, okay, by the describing words. Understood? So let's start with the first one. Now see children, my new bag is red in color. Okay, so first tell me, what is the noun over here? What you will say? Name of a thing? Bag. Okay, so bag is a noun over here. Now, what kind of bag it is? New bag. Okay, and what is the color of the bag? Red. So, bag is described as new and red. So, this new is describing word and this red is describing word. Okay, and what is described? Bag is described. So, it is a noun which will come over here. Okay, so you will write new, you will write red over here and then bag you are going to write over here. Okay, like this. Now children, see the second one. White snowflakes are falling on the trees. Okay, so snowflakes is a noun over here. Now, yesterday I told you that when color is given in a sentence, color can be used to describe. So, white, okay, white snowflakes. It means that what kind of snowflakes? White snowflakes. So, white is a describing word, okay. And what is being described? Snowflakes is being described. So, snowflakes is noun, okay. So, here you will write white and here you will write snowflakes. Understood? Now see the third one. I am wearing my woolen coat. Now what kind of coat? Woolen coat. So what is described? Coat is described. So coat is a noun. It is a naming word which will go here. And what kind of coat? Woolen coat. So it is a describing word. So you will write woolen over here. Understood? Now see the next one. 12 birds are flying in the sky. Okay. So 12 birds. Describing words tell us about number also. So how many birds? 12 birds. Noun is birds. So what you will write? Birds. And how many birds? 12. So you will write 12 over here. Okay. See further. An elephant has a long trunk and large ears. Okay, what kind of trunk? Long trunk. It means long is describing, trunk is a noun. Trunk is being described as long. Okay, so first pair we have got, you will write trunk and long. Next, and large ears. What type of ears? What kind of ears? Large ears. Okay, so what kind of ears? Large. So ears are described as large. So this is describing word and this is the noun which is being described. So you will write large over here and ears over here. Okay. Now see further, children. My friends and I are happy to go to school. My friends and I are happy. Happy. See, friends and I, they are described as happy. So, friends is a noun, I is a noun, and happy is a describing word because friends and I, they are described as happy. So, happy you will write over here, friends over here, I over here. Okay. Now see further. The green frogs are croaking noisily. Okay. Frogs are described as green. Frogs, it is a noun. And how are they described as? They are described as green frogs. Okay. So, green is the describing word. So, you will write it over here. Frogs will come over here because it is a noun. See further. The hungry cat wants milk. So what is the noun over here which is being described? Cat. What kind of cat? Hungry cat. So the cat is being described as hungry. Okay. So cat is a noun and hungry is the describing word. So hungry you will write over here. Cat you will write over here. Okay. Now children, let's start exercise C. Read the story and circle the describing words. So you have to read the story and then you have to circle the describing words. Okay. An old lion lived in a deep green jungle. So what are the nouns in this sentence, children? Lion and jungle. Now what kind of lion? Old lion. So the lion is described as old. So you will circle old. Now next noun is jungle. Okay. So what kind of jungle? Deep green jungle. Okay. So the jungle is described as deep and green. Okay. So these are the describing words. See further. One day the hungry and tired lion saw a warm and cozy cave. Now here the nouns are lion and cave. Okay. So what kind of lion? Hungry and tired lion. Lion is described as hungry and tired. Saw a warm and cozy cave. What type of cave? Warm and cozy. So the cave is described as warm and cozy. Okay, so you will circle warm and cozy. These are describing words. Now see further. The cave belonged to a clever jackal. Now, jackal is a noun. How is the jackal described as? Clever. So, you will circle clever. Clever jackal. Okay, see further. The jackal came home in the evening. He saw the lion's paw prints going into the cave. but there were none coming out. So here in these sentences we don't find describing words. So nothing will be circled. Okay. No describing word is there. So we will not circle anything. See further. The scared jackal thought. Now what type of jackal thought? Scared. So jackal is described as scared. So you will circle scared jackal thought. Okay, so scared is a describing word. So you will circle scared. The scared jackal thought, a lion is in my cave. He called out loudly, "Hello, cave, shall I come in?" The lion heard the jackal. If I do not reply, the jackal will leave, he thought. So the lion roared, "Jackal, my dear friend, please come in." Now, children, in this sentence, he called out loudly. There is no describing word. Then, "Hello, cave, shall I come in?" Again, here there is no describing word. Then, the lion heard the jackal. Here also there is no describing word. Now, look here. If I do not reply, the jackal will leave, he thought. Now here also, is there any noun which is being described? No. Now look here. So the lion roared, "Jackal, my dear friend." So here, have a look over here. What is the noun? Friend is the noun. What kind of friend? Dear friend. So friend is described as dear. So dear will be the describing word. Please come in. Again, here there is no describing word. Now see further. The jackal heard the lion. Again, is there any describing word? No. There is no describing word because no noun is being described. See further. He knew there was a lion in sight. Here also there is no describing word. Now see further. He ran away. Here also there is no describing word. Okay. So children, these were the describing words which we have circled in this story. Okay. And children, describing words are also called adjectives. Okay. So I hope this lesson is clear to you and you have understood nicely. Thank you.